Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, this is my dog Charlie. Today we are going to walk 5 minutes in the comfort of your own living space. I'm going to meet you back here in our general walk. Let's get started. All right, my friends, so I'm going to go ahead and start my watch. 5 minutes on the clock. Sometimes that's all it takes to get that endorphin boost, feel a little bit better, reduce your stress. Nice, so we're starting in a gentle walk, walk in place. We keep it simple here on this channel. Take your time, check in. How are you feeling today? Can you soften a little bit in your shoulders? And a gentle lift in your heart. Feel the length of your spine. And then start to notice your breath. So I love this idea of coming back home to our breath and our body. And really integrate that sensation within the whole practice today. So 4 basic moves. The first one, you're doing it right here. I'm going to show you the next 3 in just a moment. But first, have we met yet? My name is Emily. I create videos here on YouTube to help you reduce stress, improve your mobility and balance, and of course, help you age actively, any age, any season of life. I love helping folks, and it's really been my life passion as a nurse and a yoga teacher. So thank you for being here, and thank you for allowing me to be a part of your wellness journey. Nice job. Next move, we're going to take a knee lift. Just bring the knee up, knee up. So lift a knee, lift a knee. Find some balance here. If you feel a little unsteady today, you might have a chair or a wall close by. And take your time. I like to slow these movements down sometimes to help with that balance and help with build that stability and that muscle memory. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, back to your walk right here. We always come back to home base. Walk it out. Check in with your breath. How's your breathing sitting today? Just notice. There's no right or wrong, of course. Just check in. Next move, let's take a kick. I'm just gonna take a kick and a kick. Maybe reach opposite fingers towards opposite toes. Challenging coordination and balance. Getting the left and right hemispheres involved of your brain. Woo. Nice job. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Return to your walk. I love outdoor walking. If at any point you can get outside and move your body in a healthy way, really, really cool. It's October. You can tell it's a beautiful fall day here in West Virginia. I just love it. Walk it out. Get your arms involved. Extend your arms and then find some little circles here. If this is too much, you can just go back to that walk. Maybe make some bigger circles a few times in one direction. And then reverse your circles. So full body dynamic workout here. And come it back to those little circles in this direction for 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Maybe shake out the arms, let it go. Next move, it's gonna be a side step. So check in with your neighbor, check in with your little buddy if you have one. We're just gonna use the space we got, step it out, yeah. So single side steps. Get that activation through the backside muscles, these muscles of independence. Maybe you sink a little bit lower if you're feeling warm today. And just side to side we go. Check in with your joints. If this is too much on your knees or your hips, you might back out of it or just return to that healthy walk. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Return to your walk. Here we go. Move your body in a healthy way every day. Even if it's just for 5 minutes, you are getting that little hit of the endorphins and that dopamine hit. So essential. Stay active and healthy, especially as we age. I talk about this quite a bit, but my mom does these walking workouts, and my grandma, who is incredible, she is 86 years young, she does these with me every single week. And it's just really amazing to see how she's changed in the last couple of years of working out with me, and just how much better she feels, which is the reason I create these videos. If it's to just help my grandma and my mom. And of course you're here, you're gonna stick it out to the end. We got, about 30 more seconds to go. I know you got this. Walk it out. Get those knees up, a little knee lift, a little tummy tuck here. Belly button draws in towards the spine. Whew. We got right into that one. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to your walk. This is where we'll be. Find your breath. Here we are. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, we did it. Slow it down, we're never gonna skip the cool down, okay? So take the feet wide here, find a breath or two, just settle in. We call this mountain pose in our yoga practice. Revisit, come back to the breath and the body. Notice how you feel. Just that little bit of movement can really set you up for success today. Practice a breathing tool with me. We're gonna inhale, bring the hands to about shoulder height. Exhale, push it away, let it go. 3 more times, we inhale. And exhale. In. And out. 1 more time, inhale. And exhale. Nice job, my friend. That was your 5-minute movement practice for the day. I thank you so much for being here. If you would like to learn more, please visit my website, emilydaugherty.com. Over there, you can grab your ultimate guide to stress management and a heart-healthy living. I created this just for you. It's a great little tool to get you started on your wellness journey. Check in with me in the next couple of days. I have new videos coming out once and twice a week. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and share with your friends. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.